What's up, everybody? Today we are reviewing a tattoo machine from Temu. As you see, it cost under 30 bucks and it took about 6 days to get here. So I'm really curious. I've been tattooing for a while and I've always kind of wondered, because they say you kind of get what you pay for. And I definitely understand that with most things, but I gotta break this curious streak, like you see all this stuff on Temu and you're just like, well, if I buy this, it'd be a waste of money. But this is something that I just gotta know. So here it is, wireless tattoo pen. And as you see, it has super basic packaging. It's just the machine and the cord, nothing else in here. So when you normally buy a tattoo machine, the manufacturer is really hyped to give you stickers and stuff for branding. That's not the case here. It does twist to adjust. I'm going to check out the shortest and smallest it'll adjust. It does not detach. Normally the battery comes off. It is USB-C. So let's plug it in and see how charged it is. It looks like it's about 70%, and you see the lowest voltage you can run it on is 4. So you press and hold. It looks like you have to press and hold it 3 to 5 seconds for it to turn on. It does not have any additional functions like some do, where it has a sleep or standby or additional voltage you can switch over to really quick in case you're running one machine with multiple functions. It does go up by 0.5. It does not have hertz or anything additional. It's super simple. So I think this could potentially be great for someone just starting with tattoos. So let's actually grab a trash needle right now and just slap it in here. All right, so fits a normal cartridge. I'm trying to get some adjustments with the focus. There you go. So with it just as is, that's how much the needle comes out. Not quite enough to do anything with. It is very quiet machine. Let's check this out because I'm really curious about the stroke, so I can see if, what is the machine even good for? When it comes to these adjustables, they aren't the best for higher quality tattoos and functionality, but they're all right for the average tattoo for someone who has some fake skin or just wants to jam out some tattoos to get that itch out because they're super curious. But it's definitely one of those things that I think that the more you tattoo, the longer, the more hours you put in, the better the equipment you're going to want. But like I said, I don't think this will be too bad to start off with for anybody. And this is just to kind of show the stroke. Someone who's super keen-eyed can check this out. Yeah, I think it's got like a 3.2 to 3.4 millimeter stroke, which isn't too bad. But it's not really up to par. So like I said, thank you for checking out this video and reaching down that curious rabbit hole with me. Hopefully you like this video. Let me know what else you would like to see a review on. I don't mind throwing a little money at it just to see. Let's learn together. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more. Peace.